돈 주세요. 돈 주세요. What does it mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letter is Juseyo. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word JUDA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 280. JUDA. JUDA. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is ju, second syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. JUDA. JUDA. The word JUDA is a verb which means to give. Again, JUDA is a root verb which means to give. How do we write JUDA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is ju. This is written by drawing first a jyut character followed by an u character. The second syllable da, we need to draw first a dikut character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word JUDA. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, please give me money. Again, please give me money. Take note, this is just an example sentence. The Korean translation of this is 돈 주세요. Again, 돈 주세요. Our example sentence is composed of two words. The first word is 돈. This is already discussed on this channel and it means money. The second part is 주세요, which means please give. And Juseyo came from our word for today, which is JUDA. How did we transform JUDA to Juseyo? As mentioned a while ago, the word JUDA is a root verb which means to give. And in order to transform it into Juseyo, we removed da and replaced it with seyo. Take note that seyo is a suffix, and this suffix is added to make formal imperative expressions or formal request. So when we add seyo to ju, it becomes juseyo. And in English, it means please give, or you are trying to request someone to give you something. Take note that juseyo came from our word for today, which is JUDA. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 돈 주세요 is simply please give me money. And with that, you've just learned JUDA. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 270 to 279. But don't forget our word for today, word number 280, JUDA, which means to give. Word number 279 is 화요일, which means Tuesday. Word number 278 is namu, which means tree or wood. Word number 277 is aju, which means very. Word number 276 is jokum, which means a little. Word number 275 is suop, which means class or lesson. Word number 274 is keik, which means cake. Word number 273 is kimchi, which pertains to the fermented vegetable dish of Korea. Word number 272 is mulon, which means sure or of course. Word number 271 is opta, which means to not exist or to not have. And the last word for our review, word number 270, 맛있어, which means there is taste or delicious. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.